So once again, good morning everyone. Good morning students. So for today, we will have again your math subject. So we will continue your math lesson. So yesterday, we learned about place value, right? Okay, so we are going to continue. So it's all about comparing and ordering numbers. Again, comparing and ordering numbers. But before that, let's first read this vocabulary.
What is?
Page 17. Page 17. Okay, so you open your book so that you can follow with me. Okay, so but before that, let's first read this vocabulary. So number one, order. Order. Number two, compare. Compare. Number three, smaller. Smaller. Number four, smallest. Smallest. Okay, so you can see here the translation so that you can understand more about the words. Okay, let's proceed to number five. Number five, greater. Greater. Number six, greatest. Greatest. Number seven, more than. More than. And number eight, less than. Less than. Okay, again, please turn off your microphone. Okay, so let's proceed. Yes? Yes? Any question?
No, 19.
No, it is on page
Teacher,
17. Page 17. Okay, Sophia? Okay, so let's proceed to your... Okay, already page 17. Okay, so we will learn how to order numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay, so we have here numbers 72, 15, and 35. Okay, so what do you think is the smallest number there? Okay, so the smallest number there is 15, right? Okay, so you are going to write on the box. Okay, so this is the smallest, which is number 15. Next, what is the next number, which is greater than 15 here? Among the three numbers here, what is the greater number than 15? Is it 72 or 35? Okay, the answer there is 35. So you will copy 35 here on the box. And the last, which is the greatest number or the biggest number? Okay, the biggest number is 72. So you are going to copy here. Okay, understand? Let's have this second example. Okay, so you are going to order the numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay, let's continue. So we have here three numbers, which is 90, 79, and 76. So among these three numbers, what is the smallest number? Is it 90, 79 or 76?
76.
Okay, the answer is 76. Very good. So you are going to write here 76. How about the second greater number, that is 79, and the greatest number is, or the biggest number is
90.
90. Very good. Okay. So do you understand already your
Yes.
smallest to greatest number?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Who did not understand? May I know? Please raise your hand if you did not understand. So I will repeat.
Teacher.
Yes. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's proceed to your activity. Okay, students, please bring out your book and open page 17. Okay, let's have here your activity.
Teacher,
Again?
I know happy. Teacher, what page?
Page 17. Okay, this one.
17 มา 17ไหนก็ไม่ฟังกันเลยเหรอ Teacher
Yes. You will open on page 17 so that we will answer together.
เดี๋ยวเข้าแล้วออกใหม่
So on page 17, okay, we have your activity here. You are going to arrange these numbers in order. So you will begin with the smallest number. So letter A, we have here numbers 85, 62, and 43. Okay, what do you think is the smallest number here? You will write on the first box. Okay, you will write here the smallest number, followed by the greater number and the greatest number. Okay, are you finished?
Finish.
How about the others?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, what page?
Again, students, page 17.
17.
Yes. Now this one. Okay, can you see this one, students? Okay, page 17.
17.
What? Okay, are you finished?
Finish. No, finish.
Going to answer the first one.
1.
Okay, so the smallest number here in letter A is
43.
43. Okay, how about the next one, which is the greater number than 43?
62.
Okay, the answer here is 62. And the greatest number?
85.
Okay, the answer there is 85. Okay, so that is the answer. Please write on the back. Okay, let's proceed to letter B. We have here 77, 87, and 78. So, what is the smallest number here?
77.
Okay, the answer here is
77.
77. Okay, followed by what number?
78.
Okay, it is 78, and the greatest number is 87. Okay. So is everybody finished?
Finish.
Let's proceed
Finish.
to the next slide. Okay, so that is your activity about comparing and ordering number. Next. Okay, so please close your book. Okay, close your book. So you will listen to me for our lesson again. Okay, so this is all about comparing and ordering numbers up to 1,000. Okay, so first, we are going to count by one.
By one.
Yes, by one. Okay, let's have this number.
By one.
Okay, please listen carefully, grade 2. So we have here number 245. 245. If we say one more, that is, you will add only one.
One more.
One more than 245 is, what number?
46.
246. You are going to add only one. Okay, so 245 plus 1, that is 246.
Yes.
Okay. How about if it is one less? One less. Meaning, you are going to subtract only 1. Okay, you will minus 1. So next, let's count also by tens. By tens. Okay, so we have here number 245. 245, you are going to add 10. So 10 more, that is how many? 245 plus 10. How many is that?
45.
What is the answer?
245.
255.
55.
Okay, so 10 more than 245 is 255. Okay, let's proceed also to 10 less. Meaning, you are going to subtract 10. So we have here 245. 245 minus 10, that is how many? 235. 35. Okay. So 10 less than 245 is 235. Okay, that is the answer. And if we say 10 more, you will simply add 10. But if 10 less, you are going to subtract or minus 10. Understand? Okay. So, let's proceed to letter C. Let's count also by hundreds. By hundreds. Okay. So, we have here the original number, which is 245. 100 more, meaning you will add 100. So, if you will add 100 plus 245, how many is that? You will add 245 plus 100 equals 345. Okay, so 100 more than 245 is 345. You will simply add 100. But if it is 100 less, that is, you are going to subtract 100. Do not add, okay, because it is less. Okay, so 245 minus 100 is equal to 145. So 100 less than 245 is equal to 145. 100 more is equal to add 100. Again, 100 more, that is simply adding 100. But if 100 less, you are going to subtract 100. Okay, so did you understand? Who has a question? If you have question, just raise your hand. No question. So we will proceed. Okay. Let's proceed to your activity on page 19. Okay. Please open your book on page 19. 19. Okay, are you there already? So in number 1, you are going to write 3 numbers that are 1, 10, and 100 more than each given number. Okay, so letter A, that is 289. 289. Yeah, this one. Okay, so if you will add 289 plus 1, that is 290. Okay, so if you will add 289 plus 10, that is 299. So you are going to write on the second box. And the last one, if you will add 289 plus 100, that is 389. Okay, so please copy this one.
Yes.
Write on your book. Okay, so we have here also letter B. Letter B, 670. 670 plus 1, that is 671. So you are going to write on the box. On the second box, if you will add 670 plus 10, that is 680. Okay, you will write on the second box. And if you will add 670 plus 100, that is 770. While you are copying, I am going to explain why I get these numbers. Okay, so in number 2, you are going to write 3 numbers that are 1, 10, and 100 less than. Okay, in number 1, that is more than, right? In number 2, that is less than. So you are going to subtract numbers 1, 10, and 100. So, yes? Question? Do you have question? Okay. In letter A, that is 593. So if you will subtract minus 1, that is 592. Okay, on the second box, 593 minus 10, that is 583. And the third box, 593 minus 100, that is 493. So let's have the letter B. The number here is 905. So if you are going to subtract 1 from 905, that is 904. 905 minus 10, that is 895. And the last one, 905 minus 100, that is 805. Okay, so are you finished with page 19?
No. Finish.
No.
Finish. No.
Yes, very good for those who are finished. But let's wait for the others. Did not yet finish. Okay.
เร็วๆเข้าหน่อยสิโอ้
Okay, so who is not yet finished? Raise your hand if you are not yet finished.
เย็นฟินิเจ้าหลังอยู่
Oh, tab team is not yet finished.
นอ
Raise your hand if you are not yet finished, so that I will know if I will next the slide. Okay, so everybody finished?
ฟินิ
Okay, let's proceed to the end activity. Okay, your activity on page 20. Page 20. Yes. Open your book on page 20.
20 20เหรอ
Yes. 20.
แล้วนะ
Will fill in the boxes. Okay. So we have here 400 plus 30. 400 plus 30 plus 5. How many is that? Okay, that is 435. Okay, so you are going to write 435 on the box. Okay, how about the next one? 10 more than 435 is equal to 445. But if you are going to subtract 10 from 435, that is 425.
โอ้ย
Okay. So from the numbers here, what is the smallest number? Okay, so are you finished with page 20?
ฟินิช
And the first activity?
ฟินิช
D. Let's proceed to letter B. Okay. Let's proceed to letter B. Okay. So we have here boxes. Okay, that is 500. 500 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You're going to write 60. Okay, this one. So 500 plus 60 plus 8, that is 568. Okay, so again, if we say 100 more than 568, you are going to add 100. Okay, but if it is 100 less, you are going to subtract 100. Since it's already time, students, I will end our class for today. See you again next week, okay? So thank you very much for participating, grade 2 students. Bye, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.